guys, today it is time to finally transplant some of our seedlings. The first variety we're going to do is the flowering kale crane red. It's one of our favorite. It's a beautiful cut flower. It adds beautiful texture and it gets super vibrant in fall time. So when everything else gets a little bit more dull, that's when it starts showing off and it really stands out in the garden, even when it's not at its vibrant, because everybody's always asking, what is that cabbage mixed in your flower beds? And it's not the cabbage, it's actually just the flowering kale. It's an ornamental and it's gorgeous. If you guys haven't seen how we seed all of our seeds, we do have a video. I'll have it in the description of this video if you want to check it out. We're going to go ahead and plant these in flats of 4-pack, so they're a 48. So it's a tray with an insert. You can find a lot of these kinds of things on Grower Supply online. I get mine from my dad, so I'm lucky that I've got that right down the road, especially right now, but you can go online and order so you don't have to go out and shop. I know we're all stuck at home, so it's something that can come in the mail for you, so that's really nice. And what we're going to go ahead and use is what I'm always using, and that's the Jolly Gardener Professional Mix. It's kind of like a potting soil. I've got little Sayla here, my little helper. She always loves helping. So I always just encourage her. I think it's really good to encourage the kids. If they want to help, just know that it's going to take a little longer, but you know, it really makes them feel good and it makes us feel happy to know that they're learning something. You know your seedlings are ready to plant when they pull out like this, nice and easy, and the root looks like this, nice and filled out, and then we go ahead and we plant it. When it comes to flowers, if I have a plug that has 2 flowers in it, I leave it together. I always feel like if you pull it apart, you really stress out that root ball, and if anything, you're getting a more full plant. And then I just go ahead and make a hole and plant them in there. And Sayla's still playing in the dirt. Once the tray is done being planted, always make sure to put your tag in so you know exactly what it is that you planted. This one is one that if we didn't have a tag in it, I'd still know what it was, but there's other varieties that could look similar, or say with our snapdragons if I didn't tag them with the color. So you always want to make sure you have a tag in them, and we always use the painter's tape. Now that they are in trays, we will no longer use the toothpick. I'm going to go grab some popsicle sticks and we'll use that here. We like doing it that way and using that because it's so inexpensive to do it that way. Now we're going to go and water it.
I want water.
Oh no, little one. No watering for you.
Gotta be real delicate with it.
Yeah.
Aww.
If some are laying down, don't worry. They all grow up towards the sun. You don't have to go in there and get all fussy with it. Plants are really smart. They know what they need and they know where to go and get it. Up. Oh no, there's a bear eating my plant. Sayla, no! Where did Sayla go? Did the bear eat Sayla? No! So now you guys know what we are transplanting, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm just working on transplanting up some of the seedlings that are ready, and not all of them are ready. So every day we come out, we check, and whatever ones are ready, we go and we transplant. So I hope this video helps you and gives you an idea of, you know, how we really get our spring garden going. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have an awesome day.